Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Fluid Art Express. And today our guest was Patty from Let's Pour with Patty. So make sure you go back and check her out if you're not on the Express today. Okay, so I'm gonna try something different. I saw it on some reels, and I've got my colors here: black. This is a phthalo green. This is it's a couple purples mixed. One of them's a metallic. And this is just gold. And I'm going to layer these in the cups real quick. Get this going. Guess I should have done that. I've already done a drip test, so these are all real close to the same consistency. And I've got a white over here and some more white for flow extender. Okay, what do we want to do first? All right, let's just start layering these cups. Okay, what will we do next to that? Let's do, can you see that? Okay, there's one. Oh, first one anyway. I'll get you off of there. All right, now let's do this one. I think I'll just go ahead and layer it the same way. Maybe I'll put a little black in between that one. Just a little bit. Okay. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay. So now, well, let's set that aside because I'll use it next. Get you guys out of the way. Oh, you may notice I don't have my spinner down because I opted for the mat because this is going to be a tilt situation. Okay, now let's hopefully I won't use all of my white. I should have had 2 cups of white probably. Yeah, you know what? Let me just do that. I think that would be the best. So hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I have split my white into 2 cups because I have 2 cups of the color, so I needed the 2 cups. So, okay, I'm just going to dive right in and let's do this. It's kind of like a kiss thing. Okay, let me see where I'm going to start. Let's see. That did not work the way I thought it would. We need more of this color in there. Okay, that did not go the way I wanted it to. At the end, it kind of did. Maybe I can do it that way or something. Okay, let's get rid of those. Let's turn it around and try. Let's try it again. I think I need to pour more of this and less of the white. That worked a little better, didn't it? Okay. Well, and there it is. So let's I'll have to try this again another time. Okay, now we tilt. Which way do I want to go here? Let's go up. Okay. There's still, quite a bit of paint on there, but this is just Floetrol water and paint recipe. So I don't worry about it drying too much. But I do need to get, I want this corner off of here, because I can see the color from before, which I can up here a little bit too, but let's see if we can't get this corner to come off. Come on. Well, I do not hate it. I like the colors in it. It looks pretty cool. I had to stretch it a little further than I wanted to. I'll have to practice that technique, but it was super fun just mixing the colors. It's just you got to add more of that than that, and I got some cool cells, so yeah, I'll be trying this again. And that doesn't suck. That'll be work. That would really work for some kind of cool background. And let's see. The drips underneath, that's why I used my silicone mat, because I can let these drips dry, drip dry, and I'll have some cool skins. Maybe I'll just put some more color in them. But I'll get these edges cleaned up and then get you down for a close-up. How does that sound? Yay! Welcome, Patty! Great to have you. Okay, stay tuned for close-up. Okay, close-up time. The gold came through really well. Purple and green are kind of just there. And this corner is super sparkly. I'll probably paint something over the top of it, or even, like brush paint, or even just another pour. Maybe I'll try this again right over the top of it. You never know. Anyways, thanks so much for joining us. Welcome to the Express, Patty. And how goes everyone? Have a great day, night, evening, morning, whatever it is in your neck of the woods. Bye-bye. Okay, quick update. I decided that I probably would just scrape it because I wasn't that happy with it. And so I took it back in there and I extreme tilted it. I mean, I just wanted to get as much paint off as I could so I could just reuse the canvas after it dried. I guess I could have scraped it, but I actually like it now. Imagine that. So I'm going to let it dry and then I'll do some embellishing over the top. Yay! See? Never give up. Huggles, everyone. Bye-bye for real this time. Hey, so we have dried results. Well, it's almost dry. The very middle you could probably see is just a little wet yet. But it came out kind of beautiful. I think I'll use this. I'll have to think about it for a while, but maybe I can paint something on it. Brush paint. Anyways, thanks so much, everybody. Bye-bye again. For real, for real. Bye.